Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you an easy way how to build sawhorses. Today I'm going to build some sawhorses. I've ran out of sawhorses here on my property. I'm doing multiple projects, so I need more and I don't want to buy some. So I'm going to build some myself. And I'm going to show you a really easy way how to build some. All you need is 5 2x4s. The 5 2x4s does both sawhorses, so it's 2.5 2x4s per sawhorse. It's all straight cuts. Here are the tools I'm going to be using for the sawhorses. What makes this design so simple is that it's just basic tools. So I got a cordless circular saw. You could use a miter saw, a chop saw, hand saw, tape measure, pencil, speed square. I'm using a nail gun. It makes things quick and easy. If you don't have a nail gun, go ahead and use a cordless drill or a drill and screws. You need your 5 8-foot 2x4s. We're going to go ahead and cut 14 of these at 32 inches. So 14 pieces at 32 inches. All square cuts, no angles. That's also why they saw. Got everything cut, our 14 pieces at 32 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and start building the I-beam part. This is the top part of the sawhorse that supports the material, and I just kind of want to show you something here. So this is basically what it's going to look like. So I'm going to flip this over on edge like this. I'm going to take our piece, put it on top like so. You can eyeball this. Just make sure you're centered here. You're even on both sides here, from here to here and here to here. And get a nail on one end, right here. I'm going to shoot a nail here. That one nail. I'm going to flip around and show you the other side. Let's make sure we're even on both sides again. Looking pretty good there. And get a nail on the other end here. Boom. And then I'm going to put 2 in the middle. And then let's go ahead and flip it over. See, we're good on both ends. Looking good there. Pretty even. Do the same process. One on this end. Check the other side. And get your other 2 nails in. I'm going to go ahead and hammer these nails down. It's always good to make sure they're all the way in. Sometimes you're not tight all the way, so it's good to, if you're using a nail gun, to tighten everything up. Okay, we're good there. Now, we got our I-beam. Let's go ahead and grab one of the legs. And you just go flush to the end here. Make sure you're all the way up at the top. Your nail gun set up. Or your drill gun. That's it. That's set. Sure it's tight. I like to put 4 nails in. I'm going to put 2 here and 2 here on every single leg. There we go. There. Go ahead and grab the other leg. horse. Okay, I got the second one complete, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how they stack. Look at that. So nice. Can never have enough sawhorses. Okay, we're at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please click the link here to subscribe. Please click the link here to watch the next video.